I'm Allison.
And I'm Darren.
And welcome to our kitchen. Okay. So today we are going to make cake in a cup.
It's gonna taste awesome.
No. First we have our cup. First thing we're gonna do is take 3 tablespoons of flour.
No more, no less than 3.
1. Ugh.
Dos.
Ugh. 2.
You got it on my hand. You got it on my hand.
Whoopsie daisy. I'm a work in process.
Am I allowed to eat this?
Okay, we'll clean that up later. And bam!
Yay! We did it.
Okay. Second thing we need to do is 3 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar. Everyone loves sugar. Ah. That's not a tablespoon. There we go.
Better.
1. The sugar right here. Ah.
That's not good.
That's 2. 3. 3 tablespoons.
Will reopen Wednesday, November 7th, with regular instruction continuing Thursday, November 8th, and Friday, November 9th.
Are you filming?
Memorial Middle School has
Anyway,
The first one.
you're crashing our video.
We're recording.
After we put in the sugar,
We're gonna need 2 teaspoons of milk.
tablespoons.
Tablespoon.
I know.
You're doing it wrong. That's a tablespoon.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, okay.
Are you slow?
Shut up.
It's terrible. Oops, I think I just spilled that. 1.
Yeah, you can do it. Nice, steady. You can do it. Nice, steady.
2.
Yay!
Woo. After we put in the milk, we put in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil.
I think that's
1.
it's like an operation.
2. This is what it looks like as of now. Now
We add in the egg. Now this egg is a very special egg. 100% of a penguin egg. We got this from Antarctica. Okay. Penguins aren't that good smelling.
Hi. Oh, wrong cap. Like I didn't working. That was a moment. Okay. We are putting our sprinkle of cinnamon.
I don't like cinnamon.
Ground cinnamon. Sorry. Whoa! Whoa!
Oh,
whoa!
God! Oh!
Whoa!
Okay, that's more than enough. That's more than enough.
Sprinkle!
That's more than enough.
Cinnamon is God. Mixie Dixie. For this operation, we're going to be using a fork.
That. Oh yeah.
So yellow.
Mix it.
Wasn't this supposed to take 5 minutes?
I thought it was.
We're going to put music in the background. You want to get in our video? Huh? Why?
Okay, we don't need to see that.
Whoa. Whoa. Ah! Whoa! Did you write it down wrong? No, I didn't. Then follow the recipe. Now, we are going to put it in the microwave of joy.
Dum ba da ba 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 bum ba 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 bum.
And go.
In the meantime, let's do a dance.
Young fearless baby. Even if the sky is falling down,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bum 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 ba da bum 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 bum. Whoa, that is a hot cake. Oh my god, it actually is a cake.
Are you serious?
It's a cake, man.
Oh my god.
That's a cake. That is a cake.
It's awesome.
Oh my god, that is a cake. Ow! Sandcastle.
Big and sharp knife.
Oh, whoa, that's hot.
Now we're gonna let this cool for another minute. So in the meantime,
Let's do something fun.
so baby don't worry, you are my only, you won't feel lonely, even if the sky is falling down, you'll be my only, no need to worry.
It's warm.
Okay.
1,
2,
2, 3.
Tastes
Not bad.
good. Decorating our cake.
Decorating.
Decorating our cake. Decorating our cakes.
Sandwich.
We're gonna do this in the Halloween spirit, even though Halloween just passed about 30 days ago.
Wait, 3 or 30?
3.
Okay, sound like you said 30.
I said 3.
Okay.
I said 3, Mom.
Cream cheese?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, cream cheese.
Getting in the spirit.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Decorating.
Hey, the best part.
Woo! Cake. That's what you do to yourself.
I'm putting a lot.
No, don't. Oh! This is what our finishing cakes look like.
Woo! Ain't they pretty? It's not the best, but certainly is fine.
Pretty good.
I bet you wish you could be eating this right now.
Yeah, man. This is a good microwave cake. Cream cheese was a good choice. Good choice, Mom.
Thanks.
You want to try it?
Oh man, that looks nasty.
Yeah. Doesn't look nasty.
Ugh, I can't believe you're eating that.
It's not that bad.
Okay.
You just watched an episode of
Our Kitchen.
Baking a cake in a cup.
In the microwave.
Yeah.